Alright, I just went to the Apple store and of course I had to purchase some stuff. My name is Liz and welcome to my channel. I have some goodies in here. Of course I have already unboxed the iPhone XS Max. If you want to go and check that out, you can by clicking here on the screen. I'm giving away this Space Gray XS Max 64 GB, so also check that video so that you can join. And lastly, the Series 4 silver aluminum case white sport band 44mm. This Apple Watch is gonna basically cost you around 460 something or 470 depending where you are. Okay, so today I will be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 4. Now this is the 44. Now this year's Apple Watch, the box is completely white versus the previous edition which has black lettering. This one has white lettering, as you can see. Let's go ahead and open the Apple Watch Series 4. Ooh, that's very nice. That is so pretty. So nice. Okay. Alright. I guess it's a box within a box. Oh, and it is. Okay. Oh my god. Designed by Apple in California. Okay. Here we have instructions. That we have the watch, the charging cable, and the charging adapter. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's so soft. Look at that, it's cute. The white sport band. So, white sport band. Alright, let me go ahead and put this on the watch. Okay, there we go. Apple Watch. Wow, this is so nice. Look at the curvature on that. I just want to quickly show you the difference between, this is a Series 4, as you can see, and this is a Series 3. As you can see, we have their bigger speakers, and the Series 4 is a lot skinnier, a lot thin, and has a bigger screen. This is a 42, this is a 44. So basically I have started to set it up. Thought I was recording but I didn't, so I didn't cover the beginning part of this, so my bad. Oh, I hate when that happens. And that's pretty much it. If you want a new Apple Watch, go for it. It has its benefits and such like that, but I will be going over the new features pretty soon in an upcoming video and much more. Stay tuned and make sure to watch my other videos. So go ahead and check that out, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.